Allegheny Design Services provides structural and MEP design services for the engineering design community for building systems. ADS was started literally in a basement with me and some cinder blocks and an old door used as a desk, and that was 12 years ago. Now we have 9 employees providing MEP and structural engineering services.
You can find a lot of people that can design beams and columns and run ducts and put electrical switches in. You know, there's a lot of good engineers that do that. What you don't find is someone who is truly passionate about the building that they're doing.
Although we're a small company, we can generate a lot of work no matter what size project it is. And I feel like with our ability with BIM, we provide a product that other engineering firms without structural and MEP together cannot provide.
Architects have been using BIM for many years. From the engineering side of it, not a lot of companies are using it, especially the way that we are. Our entire company is built around using BIM as our workflow. It allows us to be a lot more efficient with our engineers and our designers. It allows us to be much more effective with the type of solutions that we're delivering.
I'm Bill Yoke Jr., former senior principal at WYK Associates Architects in Clarksburg, West Virginia. I think one of the things that a successful structural engineer does, working with the architect, helps the architect convert his vision of the space into reality by the way they design the structure. And I think Dave has a lot of sensitivity to that.
I'm James Ridgway, Vice President of Operations for March Weston. The worst things that can happen on a construction project is to have questions and not have them answered. Because if you have 50 to 100 people standing on a job site waiting on an answer from a designer, it's horrible. Allegheny Design doesn't do that. They understand what all the other parties' needs are as we're working from a very conceptual level to actual design documents.
We come into work every day and we think it's going to be fun, but at the same time we have a huge responsibility. Everything we send out the door has a direct impact on the health and safety of the customer and the public. But at the same time, nothing more satisfying than sending out a set of drawings and then just a few months seeing an 11-story steel structure going up. And you can walk by and point at that and say, I did that.
Allegheny Design, all of us feel just a deep sense that we want to deliver to the architect the solution that they want. We want to deliver to the contractor something that can easily be built. And ultimately, we want the owner and the users to have a building and a project that they're proud of, that they're happy they chose the design team they did and that we were part of it.